Hey guys, Animus Travels and Travels with Animus here. Just wanted to let you know that there was a late breaking earthquake news alert in Kit, Matt, Canada. It was a 6.60 quake this past Sunday. I hope I said that name right. So, um, please, please, let me know if you know about anybody that was in that area who might have felt it or at least heard about it. I hope that everybody in that area is safe, and if there was any damage done, that it's been taken care of now. Also, tonight, right now, on the East Coast is a supermoon, e- eclipse, strawberry. Well, it, a fall moon. Well, the harvest moon, and a planetary alignment moon happening right now. So we're gonna be having somewhat two moons in the area in our solar system for a bit. Well, Earth is gonna have two solar system. Two um, moons for a bit, at least until this alignment's over with. Sorry if I'm having trouble right now. So I hope everyone is doing all right. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. When I hear more about stuff. Till then, everyone, stay tuned.